Good morning, students. In the last video, I have taught you how to factorize the quadratic equations. How to factorize the quadratic equation by reducing them to the quadratic form. That means the given problems are not directly in the quadratic form. First, this has to be simplified, bring to the quadratic form, and then you solve it by factorization method. That much we have learnt. And now, in this session, in this video, I am going to tell you about the word problems. In the linear equation, two variables, we have solved so many types of word problems like problems of age, problems of fractions, problems of areas, problems on speed, distance and time, work and time, plenty of varieties we have solved. But there we have solved the problems by using two variables. And in this session, we are going to solve the problems by using one variable. See how the problems will be and how it can be solved by using one variable. But in the examination, when the questions are given, they will not tell you this is a two variable problem, this is a one variable problem, this is a quadratic problem. By seeing the problem, you should identify. See, when there are two different conditions are given, naturally there is a problem of two variables. Because they are using the system of equations and only one condition is given, then it is a problem of quadratic equation. And how the problems will be? Let us take one problem and show you. See, the sum of the squares of two consecutive natural numbers. Two consecutive natural numbers is 85. Find the numbers. Very simple question. The sum of the squares of two consecutive natural numbers. See, when we say about the consecutive natural numbers like 10, 11, 12, 13, these are all consecutive natural numbers. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, consecutive natural numbers. So therefore there are two consecutive natural numbers. That means one number you can call it as x. Don't say second number is y. No, consecutive. X means second one is x plus 1. Third one is x plus 2. Next one is x plus 3. So like that you take the consecutive natural numbers x plus 1, x plus 2 and so on. Since there are only two consecutive numbers, I will write let two consecutive natural numbers be x and x plus 1. X and x plus 1. If there are three, x plus 1 and x plus 2. One more. Okay. What does it say here? Condition. The sum of the squares of two consecutive natural numbers. That means these two numbers has to be square and add. Square and add. Don't add and square. The sum of the squares of the natural numbers. That means squares must be added. See, I will write here. The sum means plus. What has to be made as sum? The squares of the natural numbers. I will take first number square as x square, second number square as x plus 1 the whole square. These squares must be added. See the sentence. The sum of the squares of two consecutive natural numbers is 85. Make them square, then add, the total will be 85. Now we can solve the problem. It is x square plus. This is the form of a plus b the whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. A square is x square plus 2ab plus b square. B square is 1 square is equals to 85. X square plus x square. 2x square plus 2 into x into 1 is 2x students are making mistakes. You know that 1 square is 2. 1 square, 1 into 1. It is 1 only. Then we bring it to the LHS. Minus 85 is equals to 0. 2x square plus 2x minus 84 is equals to 0. Minus 85 plus 1. 1 plus and 1 minus. Bigger number minus smaller number. 85 minus 1, 84. Give the sign of the bigger number. I can take 2 as a common into bracket. X square plus x minus 42 is equals to 0. See, I have written 2 as a common. 2x square, only x square. 2 common, x. 84, 2 common. 2 42s are 84. Where this 2 will go? You know it. This will come to the denominator of the RHS 0 by 2. It is 0 only. What is left out? I can write x square plus x minus 42 is equals to 0. On multiplying 42. Subtracting 1. On subtracting 1. Many terms are 7 and 6. 7 and 6. Which 7 and which 6? Plus 7 and minus 6. Now it has to be solved. It has to be simplified. I will give you a shortcut. Listen very carefully. No need to write all this again, x square plus 7x minus 6x minus 42. No need. I will give you a shortcut. First you think what are the middle terms. Middle terms are plus 7 and minus 6 are the middle terms. That should be very clear. On multiplying 42, 7 6 are 42, and on subtracting 1. On subtracting 7 minus 6 is 1 plus 1. So just to put x behind this, put x behind this is equals to 0. That's all. No need to solve completely, but this method can be solved. This method can be used only when x square coefficient is 1. Here some numbers like 2, 3, 4. This method will not work out, my dear children. This direct method is useful only when x square coefficient is 1. If there are some other numbers, it has to be done in the ordinary method. Complete, you have to use the steps. Okay. Now what these are called? These are called the factors. I can separate them. X plus 7 is equals to 0. X minus 6 is equals to 0. Therefore, x is equals to minus 7 or x is equals to 6. In fact, what is x? X is a natural number. My dear children, minus 7 is rejected. Why? Natural numbers cannot be negative. Natural numbers cannot be negative. So x is equal to minus 7 is rejected. X is equals to minus 7 is rejected because natural numbers cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equals to 6 is the answer. What is x? X is one of the consecutive natural number. I can say therefore the natural numbers are. Therefore the natural numbers are. First number is x. X means 6. What is the next number? X plus 1. 6 plus 1, 7. The natural numbers are 6 and 7. Suppose you want to verify your answer. How to verify? Very simple. Square those numbers and add it. Your answer must be 85. See? Square those two numbers. It is 36. Square it to 49. See the total? 5 carry 1, 8. 85 is the answer. Your answer is right. Here there are two more problems for you. One is difference of two numbers. One is the sum of the squares of three consecutive integers. This is quite similar to the problems what we have solved. So let me solve this problem first, then I will come back to this. Okay? See, earlier I have given you the sum of the squares of two consecutive natural numbers. Since difference of natural numbers and integers can be negative also. Integers can be negative, but natural numbers cannot be negative. Okay. Sum of the squares of three consecutive integers. I will start like this. Let three consecutive integers be x plus 1 and x plus 2. X plus 1 and x plus 2. Earlier I have told you, by relative natural numbers, consecutive natural numbers, or consecutive integers, you can say x plus 1, x plus 2. If one more is there, x plus 3 also. Okay, but that is only during the consecutive. Okay, consecutive integers or consecutive natural numbers. Okay. So again, sum of the squares and square them and add them. X square plus x plus 1 the whole square plus x plus 2 the whole square is equals to 50. Is equals to 50. Okay. Let me open the bracket. X square plus a plus b the whole square. A square plus 2ab, 2 into a into b, 2 into a into b plus b square plus b square. Here also I can go with the a plus b whole square formula. A square plus 2ab, 2 into a into b plus b square is equals to 50. Is equals to 50. Come on. 1x square, 2x square, 3x. There are 3x square. So it is 3x square plus. I will write once. This is 2x plus 1 plus. This becomes 2 2s are 4. 4 into x, 4x plus 2 square is 4. I will bring this to the LHS. Minus 50 is equals to 0. Come on. This is 3x square. Let me keep it as it is. Plus this 2x and this 4x gives you 6x. Plus 1 plus 4. It is a plus 5. Plus 5 minus 50. Plus 5 minus 50 gives you minus 45 is equals to 0. My dear children, you can take 3 as a common. You can take 3 as a common into bracket. And 3 is taken as a common everywhere. X square plus 3 how much are 6? 3 2s are 6 minus 3 how much are 45? 3 15s are 45 is equals to 0. This 3 will go to the denominator of the RHS and it will be x square plus 2x minus 15 is equals to 0. Okay, what next? I can use the shortcut method because x square coefficient is 1. If you multiply, it should be 15. If you subtract, it should be 2. 5 and 3 are the middle terms. 5 is 15. 5 minus 2 is equals to 2. But which 5 and which 3? 1 plus and 1 minus? The bigger number should have this sign. That means plus 5 and minus 3. I will write plus 5 and minus 3. I will put on x before this. 1x before this is equals to 0. X plus 5 is equals to 0. X minus 3 is equals to 0. Therefore, x is equals to minus 5 or x is equals to 3. How to write the final answer? See, in my earlier case, I have written outrightly this is rejected because it cannot be a natural number. But my children is an integer. Integer can be negative, integer can be positive. But out of this, which two are going to choose? I can choose both. I can choose both. And how to write the answer? See, this is a question of integer. This is a question of integer. Both plus and minus are accepted. So I will write like this, the final answer. If x is equals to minus 5, what are the answers? Then numbers are. Then the numbers are. The first number x, it is minus 5. Second number x plus 1, minus 5 plus 1, minus 4, minus 5 plus 2, minus 3. These are the three numbers. If x is equals to minus, I will take. If x is equals to 3, then what happens? The first number is x. First number is then numbers are. See, first number x means 3. Second number x plus 1 means 4. Next number is x plus 2 means 5. My dear children, this is also the right answer. This is also the right answer. There should be three consecutive numbers. These are also three consecutive. These are also three consecutive. So they are all consecutive numbers. But if you square and add, answer must be 50. If you square and add, answer must be 50. Come on, let us verify. Square this 25. Square this 16. Square this 9. 25 plus 25. Answer is 50. That means when you square, minus also becomes plus. If you square here, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25. See, when you square them, they are same. The total is 50. So this is also the correct answer, and these are also the right answer whenever the problems of integers are asked. Okay, now let us go for this problem. I will run this part. Let us take this problem. Difference of two numbers is 4, and difference of their reciprocals is 4 by 21. Before I start this problem, let me tell you one thing. See here. If I say sum of two numbers is 10, just let me give you some idea about this. Sum of two numbers is 10, and if one number is x, what about the second number? It is 10 minus x. It is the second number is 10 minus x. Once again, listen carefully. If sum of two numbers is 10, of course, this is the problem of difference. I will come to you later. If the problem is a sum problem, sum of two numbers is 10, and if one of them is x, what about second number? Second number is 10 minus x. Okay, remember this. In future, it will be useful for you. Whenever the sum is given, sum is 10. First number is x, second number is 10 minus x. This is about the sum. Now, the problem is of difference. What they have given? Difference of two numbers is 4. Difference of two numbers is 4. And if I say one number is x, one number is x. What about the second number? What about the second number? Second number is x minus 4. The second number is x minus. How it has come? See, difference of two numbers is 4. Out of that, one number is x. What about the second number? I want to find this number. What I will do, since it is negative, I will take this to that side. Okay, and 4 I will bring it to this side. So what happens? This number is equals to x minus 4 is the second number. So if the difference problem is given, one number is x, second number is x minus 4 is the second number. If the sum problem is there, if it is a problem of sum of two numbers is 4. One number is x. What about the second number? Second number is equals to, the second number is equals to 4 minus x. 4 minus, this is x minus 4, this is 4 minus x. To get a clear cut idea, you will write like this. Sum of two numbers is 4. One number is x. Second number is, this is second number is 4 minus x is the second number. Here, difference of two number is 4. One number is x. What about the second number? Second number is, since negative sign is there, I will shift it to the RHS. 4 will bring to the LHS. X minus 4 is the second number. Okay. I will write now. I will solve this problem. Difference of two numbers is 4. Let the first number be x, and the second number is what? It is x minus 4. X minus 4. Suppose you want to verify. See, this minus this. Difference of two numbers. This minus this. Answer must be 4. Check here. First number is x minus bracket. Second number. Difference of two numbers. X minus 4. Open the bracket. X minus x plus 4. See, difference of two numbers is equals to 4. Okay? Now, you can remember this much. First number is x. Second number is x minus 4. Okay? Now, the next part is very, very important. My dear children, out of these two, which is greater and which is smaller? By seeing only you can say this number is bigger because minus 4 is there, this number is smaller. Okay. Difference of the reciprocal is 4 by 21. Usually what the students are making the mistake. What they will do? See, numbers are here. I will make the reciprocal. Reciprocal of this is 1 minus x minus reciprocal of this is 1 by x minus 4. Difference of the reciprocals. Answer is 4 by 21. My dear children, answer is wrong here itself. Where is the mistake? Where is the mistake? See, read the sentence. Difference of their reciprocals. Difference of their reciprocal. This reciprocal is 1 by x. This reciprocal is 1 by x minus 4 is equal to 4 by 20. Everything is right. Where is the mistake? My dear children, very important point to notice. See, I am taking two numbers, 2 and 3. No doubt, 3 is greater, 2 is smaller. But when you make the reciprocal, this will be greater than this. So, in the case of natural numbers without reciprocal, this is greater. When you make the reciprocal, the number which is smaller, its reciprocal is always greater. See, the value is 0.5. The value is 0.33, which is greater. This is greater. So keep in mind, here the students are making the mistake. Okay, now come on. Then see, x is greater, this is smaller. Which is smaller, its reciprocal is always greater. That means this point to be noticed. Out of those two, which number is smaller? Its reciprocal is always greater. So, difference of the reciprocal. When you make the reciprocal, this value is more, this value is less. I can write according to the condition. According to the condition, their reciprocal, I say this reciprocal value is greater. 1 by x minus 4. I will write first. Minus reciprocal of this is 1 by x. Answer is 4 by 21. You can take any number and check. See here. I will take one number as 7, or simply I will take one number is 8, one number is 10. No doubt 10 is greater. When you make the reciprocal, reciprocal is 1 by 8, its reciprocal is 1 by 10. 1 by 10 means 0.1. When you make the reciprocal here, when you make the reciprocal, it is 1 by 8. 1 by 8. 0.10. 1s are 8. 2, 20. 8 2s are 16. This 0.12. 0.12. This is 0.10. This is greater. See, this is the way you can say that. This is the way you can say that. This value, of course, it is smaller. This reciprocal is bigger. This reciprocal is smaller. Okay, now we can solve the problem. Take the LCM. X into x minus 4 is the LCM. These two are same. These two are same. 1 into x is equal to x minus. These two are same. 1 into x minus 4, it is x minus 4 is equal to 4 by 21 is equal to 4 by 21. Okay. Now open the bracket. X minus x plus 4 divided by, open the bracket, x square minus 4x is equal to 4 by 21. 4 by 21. X gets cancelled. 4 divided by x square minus 4x is equal to 4 by 21. Okay? I can cancel 4 and 4, but many of you may not understand if I cancel directly. So I will cross multiply. It is 4 into 21 is equals to 4 into x square minus 4x. I will not multiply. I will bring it to the denominator. See, 21 is equals to 4 into x square minus 4x divided by 4 gets cancelled. Okay? And I can write down 21 is equals to x square minus 4x. X square minus 4x. I will bring it to the LHS. Sorry, I will bring it to the RHS. And I can write 0 is equals to numbers to get a minus sign. So the middle terms are -7 and +3. I can write x here also. I can write x here also is equals to 0. You got the factors. And x minus 7 is equals to 0. X plus 3 is equals to 0. Therefore, x is equals to +7 or x is equals to -3. What is the question? Find the number. Difference of two numbers is 4. Okay. Therefore I can write first number is x. I can hear -3 is rejected. Okay, -3 is rejected because number always it will be positive only. Okay, so it is rejected. I can say x is equals to -3 is rejected. Therefore, x, the first number is 7, and the second number is x minus 4. 7 minus 4, answer is 3. That is the end of the problem. Note it. So this is the very important part is here. Difference of two numbers. First number is x, second number x minus 4. Because if you subtract these two, you are getting answer as 4. Okay, students. Again, there are two more problems on the board. On one side, I have given sum of two numbers. One side, I have given difference of two numbers. So let us take both the problems, and I will make you very clear how to solve the problems. Okay. Sum of two numbers. See, now there will be always a confusion for you how to take simple right like this. Sum of two numbers. See, this is the rule, right? So to avoid the confusion, sum of two numbers is 16. Sum of two numbers is 16. Out of that, one number is x. One number is x. What about second number? 16 minus x. Very simple. A small like diagram you can make it. This plus this is equal to 16. Sum of two numbers is 16. One number is x. What about second number? What is the second number? Second number is 16 minus x. I will write here. Let the first number be x. Therefore, the second number is 16 minus x. Let it be here for your better understanding. Okay. What do they say? 16 minus 6. Their reciprocal. Sum of their reciprocal is 1 by 3. But actually, when they given you the sum of the reciprocal, whether this is bigger or this is bigger, that makes no difference at all. Because it is addition. Subtraction is always bigger number minus smaller number you should find. Addition, whichever comes first, whichever comes next, that makes no difference. So, no need to bother which is greater or which is smaller. Absolutely not required. Sum of the reciprocals. This reciprocal I will write according to the condition. According to the condition. What is the condition? Sum of the reciprocal. Reciprocal of this 1 by x plus sum plus reciprocal of the second number 1 divided by 16 minus x. Answer is 1 by 3. Come on, solve it. X into 16 minus x is the LCM. These two are same. 1 into this number, that is 16 minus x, plus these two are same. With this you multiply. 1 into x is equals to x is equals to 1 by 3. Okay? X gets cancelled. What is left out here? 16 divided by open the bracket. X into 16x. X into 16. It is 16x minus x into x square is equals to 1 by 3. Is equals to 1. Okay. Cross multiply. 16 threes are 48 is equals to cross multiply. It is 16x minus x square. X square is negative, so I will shift all the terms to the LHS. It is x square. Shift it LHS minus 16x. This is as it is, plus 48 is equals to 0. Is equals to, okay. On multiplication, 48 and on adding 16, 12 and 4 are the middle terms. Coefficient of x square is 1. So directly to solve the problem, middle terms are 12 and 4. Which 12 and which 4? Either both positive or both negative. Sign is negative here, so both must be negative. So it is minus 12 and minus 4 are the middle terms. Write one x here, write one x here is equals to 0. Okay? X minus 12 is equals to 0. X minus 4 is equals to 0. Therefore, x is equals to 12. X is equals to 4. Right, children? Both are positive. You cannot reject any number, which is the right answer. You can take like this. So therefore, the first number is equal. Out of these, you can take any number as the first number. If I take first number as 12, therefore the second number is equal to 16 minus x. 16 minus 12, answer is equal to 4. First number is 12, second number is 4. Or if I take first number as 4, second number is 16 minus 4 is equal to 12. So ultimately 12 and 4 are the answers for the given problem. Okay. Now let us go to the second problem. Two numbers differ by, see, I will just draw here. I have done that this plus this is equals to 16. One number is x, the second number is 16 minus 6. Same way we do it here. Two numbers differ by 4. See, one number minus second number is equals to 4. Okay? I will take one number as x. What about the second number? See, second number how much? What I will do to find this number? I will take this to that side to make it as positive. 4 I will bring it here. I will write like this. X minus 4 is equals to box. This second number. Second number is x minus 4. First number is x. Second number is x minus 4 is the second number. I will mark question mark here. Question mark is second number. Second number is x minus 4. Then 16 minus 6. Number comes first, alphabet comes next. Here alphabet comes first, number comes next. This is the difference you notice. Come on. I will start. Let the first number be x. Therefore, the second number is x minus 4. X minus 4. See, now both sum and difference are on the same place. You can see here. First number is x. Second number, here number comes first, alphabet next. Alphabet first, number next. If you remember like this in the examination, definitely will be confusion for you. So you should draw this. It will be easy for you. First number x. Second number question mark. I will find this number. Take it to the RHS. 4 will come here. X minus 4 is equal to question mark. The second number is equal to x minus 4. Okay. What is the condition? According to the condition, what is according to the condition? Their product. Product means into x into x minus 4 is equals to 192. Okay, x square minus 4x shifted to the LHS minus 192 is equals to 0. Okay. Multiply, you should get 192. On subtract, you should get 4. 192. 2. 2 8s are 2 9s are 18. 6. Subtract, note 2. 48s are 48 and 4. Subtract, you are not getting 4. 2 24s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 16 and 12 are the middle terms. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, 16 and 12 are the middle terms. But which 16 and which 12? One plus and one minus. Bigger number will get a minus sign. It is minus 16 and plus 12. I can write directly. Minus 16 and plus 12 are the middle terms. Put an x behind it. Put one x behind this is equals to 0. X minus 16 is equals to 0. X plus 12 is equals to 0. Therefore, x is equals to plus 16 or x is equals to minus 12. Find the number. When they ask you to find the number, I will reject minus 12. X is equals to minus 12 is rejected. Therefore, x is equal to 16. Therefore, the first number is x, which is equals to 16. And the second number is 16 minus 4. 16 minus 4, answer is equal to 12.